Perceptions do not refer only to the objects that appear in the world as concrete things, but rather their images perceived in our mind. Like reflections in a mirror, we constantly experience the mental images of things as if they were external objects. This includes memories such as our homeland, house, friends, family members, and so forth. Their faces, the scenery, hills, trees, houses, and so forth, all appear crisply and clearly in our memory, and, along with all that we perceive by the senses, are defined as perceptions. The Tibetan word for these is nangwa, which we can translate as either perception or appearance. While perceiving, we look into what these nangwa, these perceptions, really are, and we discover that there is no real substance to find and no location where they arise, reside, or go. And so the concreteness of the experience is undermined. Dakpo Tashi Namgyal says that their falsehood collapses. In other words, the feeling of concreteness simply falls apart. In this way, we establish that perceptions are also empty of any real identity.